All right, we're taking a look at the F chord now. Just like all other chord charts, we want to be aware that we need to know which fingers to put down, which strings to put our fingers down on, and which frets to put those fingers down on as well. So first off, let's look at the two dots right over here. We've got a 1 and a 2, so we definitely want to be using our first and second finger only. We've got on the far side over here, the number 2 is on the second fret, so we find the string all the way over here, the one closest to our face, and count 1, 2 frets. That's where our middle finger goes. And then we put our first finger on the 2 strings over. That's our second string. It's going to be the one second closest to our lap when we're playing. We're going to check that we're pushing those 2 strings down correctly. We're also going to check the strings that are not being pushed down are not being blocked by our fingers. Sometimes the finger can roll and hit that. So check those. Give it a strum. You've got an F chord. Second fret on the 4th string, open 3rd string, first fret on the 2nd string, and then you got the 1st string open.